Natural light has become a sought-after feature in homes, and for good reason. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a space but also contributes to improved mood, productivity, and overall well-being. For homeowners in Dallas, maximizing natural light through custom windows can transform living spaces into bright, welcoming environments. Here's how custom windows can elevate your home, help you embrace the beauty of natural light, and increase energy efficiency. The benefits of natural light. Before diving into the benefits of custom windows, it's important to understand the impact that natural light can have on a home. Daylight has been shown to have numerous advantages. Health and well-being. Natural light helps regulate circadian rhythms, which can improve sleep patterns and boost mood. It has also been linked to increased vitamin D production, which is essential for bone health and immune function. Enhanced aesthetics. Sunlight can make your home feel more spacious and inviting. Rooms bathed in natural light feel brighter and more open, enhancing the beauty of your interiors. Energy efficiency. Harnessing natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering energy consumption and costs. Additionally, custom windows can be designed to improve insulation, contributing to overall energy efficiency. Why choose custom windows for your Dallas home? Dallas homeowners are no strangers to sunny weather, which makes custom windows an excellent investment for maximizing natural light. While standard windows may offer some degree of sunlight, custom windows can be tailored to suit the specific needs of your home, giving you better control over how light enters each room. Tailored to fit your space. One of the most significant advantages of custom windows is their ability to be designed to fit your space perfectly. Whether you have a unique architectural design or an unusually shaped room, custom windows can be created to optimize sunlight while enhancing the room's design. For example, larger or floor-to-ceiling windows can allow more light to flood into a room, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. Optimal placement for sunlight. Custom windows give you the flexibility to choose the optimal placement for maximum sunlight. Depending on the orientation of your home, you can position windows to take advantage of natural light at different times of day. For instance, east-facing windows can bring in soft morning light, while west-facing windows can provide vibrant, golden afternoon sunlight. Strategically placing custom windows in key areas of your home can significantly improve the flow of natural light throughout the day. Energy efficiency and insulation. Dallas summers can get hot, and the sun's intense rays can raise your cooling costs. Custom windows are available with energy-efficient features, such as low emissivity, low E coatings, argon gas fills, and double or triple glazing. These features help keep your home cool in the summer while still allowing ample sunlight to enter. By investing in high-performance custom windows, you can enjoy the warmth of natural light without the associated heat gain or energy loss. Unique designs to complement your home's style. Custom windows can be designed to match the architectural style of your home, whether it's modern, traditional, or something in between. From sleek, contemporary casement windows to elegant bay or bow windows, custom options allow you to choose the window styles that not only maximize natural light but also complement your home's overall aesthetic. Adding architectural details such as arches, transoms, or unique grid patterns can enhance the design and create a focal point for each room. Maximizing views. Many Dallas homes boast stunning views, whether it's a city skyline, a scenic backyard, or rolling hills in the distance. Custom windows allow homeowners to frame these views perfectly while letting in an abundance of natural light. Large picture windows, for instance, can offer unobstructed views while still maximizing light. Whether you're enjoying a morning cup of coffee or relaxing in the evening, your custom windows can bring the outdoors in. Custom window options for maximizing light. Dallas homeowners can choose from a variety of custom window options to maximize natural light. Picture windows. Large, fixed windows with no sashes or frames to obstruct the view. Casement windows. Hinged at the side, casement windows open outward, providing excellent ventilation and unobstructed light. Sliding windows. These windows slide horizontally to open, offering expansive views and ample light. Bay and bow windows. These windows extend outward, creating a larger opening for light to pour into the room while also providing a cozy nook. Conclusion. Incorporating custom windows into your Dallas home is an effective way to enhance natural light, boost energy efficiency, and improve your home's overall appeal. By working with experienced professionals to design windows that suit your specific needs and style, you can create a bright, airy living space that you'll love coming home to. Whether you're looking to create a sun-filled living room or a peaceful bedroom bathed in morning light, custom windows can be the key to transforming your home into a light-filled sanctuary.